Alright guys, let's take a look at AAVE once again. Now I looked at this about 10 days ago on December 2nd, and yeah, I mean it looks like AAVE wants to continue to the upside parabolically, and it looks like it's coming really close to completing this cup and handle. Now I would argue that the neckline is going to be about here. Now some people might say it could be up here or maybe even here, but I think there's just more, touch points here, and that's probably a better place to put this neckline. So that is where I've placed this green line, and it's basically a weekly resistance. Now we need to see AAVE do something like this. It needs to come up, touch this, resistance, kind of bounce around a little bit. It doesn't have to be, half a year like this. It can be a month, 2 months, it can be 2 weeks. But we need to see just, something like this, and then boom, we need to shoot up. Usually the handle is a little bit, longer than 2 weeks, for example, though. Especially when you have like a weekly time frame like this. But, the target of this breakout, if this handle pattern is almost at $800, guys. It's $790, the target. So previous all-time high was up here at what, 668. Yeah, if we look at the CoinGecko here, we'll see basically it was it says 661.69 here. Now Binance had 668, but it depends on what exchange you were using. And yeah, all-time low, it says $26. I'm not sure about that either. I know on Coinbase I found like 52 cents if you go all the way back to the beginning of their chart. Now speaking about the tokenomics, guys, there's only 16 million max supply. I mean, that's less than Bitcoin, guys. Now, is it going to fly higher than Bitcoin? Probably not. But it can be very bullish very quickly. And pretty much, the great majority of this is circulating. You have 15 million that's circulating. And yeah, already the 16 million has been created. But, this will get very bullish very quickly, I think. Basically, if we go back to the chart, let's do a Fibonacci, and let's just, for fun, see where this can get. Let's do a fib retracement basically, and let's draw this down like this. Put this on the very lowest point here. Now, let's take a look and see how high this possibly can go. This says at the top $2,100. Now, do I think it's going to make it to $2,100? Probably not. In my opinion, if I were holding AAVE, I would probably take profit somewhere around here, just because, these upper levels, it may not reach it, guys. But yeah, do I think it's going to reach, for example, $1,300? Probably, yeah. All-time high, previous cycle, like I said, was around 660. So can it double, basically? Yeah, easily. I mean, it could triple, but we just have to see. I mean, AAVE is an excellent project, but, I would probably prefer to stay a little bit conservative and say this will probably 2x. Now, if we take a quick look here at Bitcoin, guys, you can see that nothing has really happened. This is the daily time frame here, and yeah. I mean, I put this box here. I pretty much just extended it a little bit. But we are in the same range, that we've been since, the 19th of November, guys. Nothing has changed. We've tried to get outside the box, but if I zoom in, we are still in this box. Kind of crazy, because yesterday it looked like we were going to get out of the box, and even today it looked like we were going to get out of this box. But this box has held us down, and people are starting to freak out once again, guys. They're starting to panic sell once again. I can see it because my portfolio is going down. Now, as you can see, basically for the total market cap, guys, getting a little bit of a red candle. People are starting to sell off Bitcoin once again. And yeah, it looks like it almost got up to the trend line today. Not quite there, but you can see if I zoom in, it got really close, within 0.01 of a trillion. So yeah, let's see what tomorrow holds. Now, excluding Bitcoin, it did retest this trend line, but you can see it failed. So still have a green candle. This is the daily time frame, and I do believe probably tomorrow we will retest this trend line once again, but we are going to have to get above that. Now, when it comes to Bitcoin dominance, guys, we are getting quite a red candle today. So I'm a little bit surprised that, you know, the altcoins haven't really pumped a little bit more than what they have. But, you know, this is good. Definitely good for altcoin holders. I do believe, you know, we're going to fall through this 55.93 once again. Don't know when. Could be tomorrow. Could be next week. You know, we just have to wait and see, guys. But yeah, looks like we fell under it last night. When I made a video last night, I think we were just above it, like right here. And yeah, since then we've fallen through. And yeah, I would like, you know, personally to see more downside myself because I'm an altcoin holder. As a result of that, guys, you can see the altcoin season index has gone up to a 69, was a 67 right before I refreshed it. So yeah, we've gone up just a couple of points, and like I said, guys, that's due to this dominance falling here. So yeah, we gained a couple of points. That's nice to see. Now, fear and greed, guys, 83. I'm surprised we shot up so much. Yesterday was 78, but we're back in extreme greed. In my opinion, you know, it's not good. And, you know, we can see that people are selling off once again. If we go back to the Bitcoin chart, guys, I mean, we're going down. We're under 100,000 once again. So, yeah, you can see we've gotten just a red candle from, I don't know, maybe if we look at this, yeah, just the last couple of hours, guys. I mean, we were above the box, you know, 2 hours ago, 2.5 hours. Now, Pi Cycle Top Indicator, guys, not even close yet. So don't worry about that. Crypto bubbles, let's take a quick look at this. We are, you know, for the day kind of mixed. I would say it's probably about 50-50. And we do have some big winners. AAVE, you know, not Pepe, Pepe's a loser. LDO here, you know, Link, Maker, AVAX, you know, these are some of the bigger winners today. OP, yeah, it's nice to see. But we do have some losers like Pepe and, you know, Beam, but, you know, nothing is really down more than about 8.5%. So that's, you know, not too bad, I can say. So yeah, it kind of balances out, and, you know, we do have a green here, so it looks like it's more green than red. The last hour, like I said, since we've had that dump in the last couple of hours, you know, we're getting more red here in the last hour or so. But it's not major red, guys. Most of this is about 2%, 3%. So, yeah, I mean, we just have to wait and be patient again. Now, guys, if you want to stake your Bitcoin or any other coin, go to Coinondo and type in whichever coin you're looking for example, Bitcoin. And you'll have a list of places where you can stake. Be aware of these, you know, locking periods and limits that you can stake. And you might not want to stake more than, you know, for example, like 30 days like me. I think flexible is best at this point because we just don't know, you know, when this bull run is going to come to a complete climax. And when you're happy with the results, you know, you want to be able to sell. And, yeah, I mean, you don't want to be stuck in a position where you can't sell and you ride it all the way back down to the bottom. So anyways, guys, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.